If your plantain porridge is not looking like this, guys, you're not doing it well. Yes, please let your plantain porridge go to Harvard and come back to Nigerian. Hello guys, welcome to my egg page. Have you gone out and come back and become so tired? You don't know what to do, but you see this plantain lying around your house. So guys, let's make plantain porridge. This plantain porridge is not your regular kind of plantain porridge. And you know when I say not your regular, you say Uju healthy eating. You understand? So here I'm trying to slice the plantain. I mixed ripe and unripe, but you can see that the ripe is not that soft. It's still strong like unripe. So went down with your palm oil, then with your onions. So we'll do this step by step so that it will help us to go far. Guys, on this place I want to also ask you people for your opinion over something that is very important. So it is here. So a lady called me and told me that her husband was like her husband was kidnapped and they don't know where the husband is, but along the line. So here I added my spices, added some, you know how we used to do it now, palm oil. What I just pour is not tomato. What I poured now is not tomato. It's your bell pepper, your shumbo, your pepper things that are there, because I've added sachet tomato, so I don't need to put fresh tomato in this. And here I added my fish, I added my pomo, just to spice things up. Guys, you need to try this type of plantain porridge. You will love it. And I added enough crayfish. Yes, and this crayfish gave this food a different taste. And here is the unripe plantain that I've already sliced. I need to mix it together. Guys, what are you thinking? Like when you're looking at this food, what comes to your mind? Comes to your mind to go down with what? With a chilled malt or a chilled Coke or anything chilled. But guys, this tastes so good. At this point, my whole house, the aroma has taken all over my house, and everybody was like, when is this going to calm down? So after some time, add a little water, then cover it to steam very well. So when the lady was telling me that, they now later found out that it's her husband's brother that is the mastermind of this kidnapping. But for him to be able to help to release this, that he wants the lady on his bed. So guys, he wants the lady to come to his bed every night, every now and then. This is a true life story. It is not just a story. It's something that happened to someone that she related to me, which I'm going to say more about it on my another video. Guys, look at now. Are you not going to try this out? No, tell me if you won't try this out. Please do well to save this video and try it. And